Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to automate sending emails via Gmail using Zapier when new signature requests are sent from BoldSign. In BoldSign, users can automatically send details such as name and email ID from the newly created signature request documents directly to the designated persons. Each time a new signature request is generated in BoldSign, the integration ensures that the relevant information is instantly emailed through Gmail to those persons. This feature is particularly valuable for informing external stakeholders and managers that documents have been sent for signatures. Automating this process streamlines communication and saves time by eliminating manual follow-ups. Getting started is simple. All you need is a valid Zapier account and a BoldSign account, which can be either a paid plan or a free sandbox account. If you haven't signed up yet, you can create a free BoldSign account immediately. Let's go through a practical example. Let's consider an HR manager is onboarding new employees. When new hires join, the HR manager uses BoldSign to send employment contracts for eSignatures. To keep the recruitment lead informed, the HR manager needs to email the employee details to the lead each time a contract is sent. The BoldSign and Gmail integration on Zapier automates this process, ensuring timely notifications without manual effort. Let me demonstrate how the HR manager would set up the Zap. There is a pre-configured Zap template for this scenario. Go to the pre-configured template and click Try this template. This action takes me to the Zap creation page. On this page, I add the relevant title for the Zap. Next, in the trigger section, the BoldSign app is set as the default trigger action. Depending on my needs, I can change it using the Change button. In the trigger event section, the document sent option is set by default, which can be changed using the drop-down menu. Next, I connect my BoldSign account and click Continue. In the Configure section, I select Yes in the Admin Mode field to authorize the necessary permissions for document access, managing permissions, organizing files, and automating workflows. I then proceed to test the trigger to ensure it is working properly. The details of the most recently sent document are displayed. I can also find new records. I click Continue with the selected record to complete the setup for this section. In the Action section, similar to the Trigger section, the Gmail app and the Send email are automatically set to Action app and Action event respectively. I can also change these options when necessary. I connect to my Gmail account and click Continue. In the Configure section, I need to customize the email to be sent to the recipient. In the To field, I enter the recruitment lead's email. I choose the From value and map the From name, Reply to, and Subject fields. The body type field is set to plain by default, and I leave it as it is. Next, in the body field, I add additional fields I want to be included, and map them accordingly. Then I map the attachment field. Once done, I test the action to make sure everything is set up correctly. If the test fails, an error alert will notify you of the issue. I can search for the item data in the search bar. Once tested, the recently sent signature request details are emailed to the specified email address via Gmail. Next, I finalize the process by publishing the Zap, which will automatically be turned on. When a signature request is sent to a new employee, the details will be automatically emailed to the specified recruitment lead via Gmail. Let's take a look at the email that was sent to the recipient after testing the Zap. The email includes all the relevant information, ensuring that the recruitment lead is promptly informed and can take any necessary actions. That summarizes how to automate sending emails via Gmail using Zapier when new signature requests are sent from BoldSign. If you found this video useful, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.